Now, before we even start this video, did you know that Claude offers an application for Windows and also Mac users? On the right side of my screen, this is the Claude application, and on the left side, this is the browser version. Now, I personally recommend to use the application, but there are three key differences between the browser and the application. The first is speed. If you click on any of these options here on, Claude, everything propagates right away. It's much faster. And if we compare that to the browser version, you're gonna see there's that little delay, right? There's that little like 1 or 2 second delay like that, right? Or like that. So the desktop version is much faster. The second key difference is the ability to add plugins. So I'll click on this customize button. And if you're using the desktop version, you'll see right here, you can browse plugins and then you can install plugins that were created by Anthropic. And you can install these directly onto your computer. Now, if you compare that to the browser version over here, you'll see it's no longer available. So that's another key difference on why you want to use the desktop version. Now, I personally don't use plugins as much, but it's still nice to have, right? So it's just another reason on why you want to use the desktop. And the third key difference is the ability to add personal skills. Now, if you are using the application, it's much easier to create your own skills and then add them to a library. So in the connector section, if I click on skills, you can actually create your own skills and then just turn them on right there. And it's much easier to create your own personal skills and then add them to the library. However, if you are using the browser version, it's much more trickier. You have to actually create the skills. You have to download files, configure those files, and then upload them via skills. And it's not as easy. So if you're the kind of guy that wants to make a bunch of different skills, the application version is the way to go. I'll leave a link to the Claude application in the video description. And all you got to do is download it for via Mac or Windows. Then you have to create an account and log in and you're good to go.